Hello, my name is Tim and I will be your host, and welcome to One Man Stream. If you're like me and run a small production, you find yourself wearing many hats: technical director, graphics, replay, and audio engineer. So how do you do all this and not miss a shot? There is a free companion software for vMix called vMix UTC Universal Title Controller. It allows me to handle all these tasks and much more. With vMix UTC and vMix triggers, I am able to automate much of my production. In upcoming videos, we will dive into how these are built and, most importantly, how easy it is to use. We will go step by step from creating the graphics and GT title designer to the automated process in vMix UTC. In later videos, we will touch on how to incorporate data sources into vMix UTC. I am amazed at how powerful this program is and how simple it is to use. The first video will show you how to download UTC software, how to install it, and finally how to connect it to your vMix software. If you find this video series helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe so you'll be alerted when new videos are posted.
This is the vMix forum section at the vMix website. We're going to go down to third-party software and development, click there, and now we're looking for Universal Title Controller. We'll click on that. Halfway down the page you'll see downloads, and underneath that Universal Title Controller, click on that. That will begin the download. Once your download is complete, double click on that to begin installation. And click on the vMix controller application and then click on Run. A Windows message box will pop up, and when it does, click More Info and then click Run Anyway. And now we're going to head over to the vMix software. In the upper right, we're going to click Settings, and then what we're looking for is Web Controller. When that pops up, we'll click Web Controller, and we're looking for an IP address under web address, website address. So we're going to copy that, and then we're going to head over to our vMix UTC software, and under Settings, we're going to look to the left for IP, and then we're going to right click and paste that IP address we got from our vMix software. You'll see the yellow dot turns green, and you'll see at the bottom left hand where it says online and that IP address that we copy and pasted, and now your vMix software is communicating with vMix UTC.